Hi everyone, it's Rebecca from the CodeWords team, and today I'm going to give you a full introduction to templates. Templates are pre-built, fully functional workflows, and there are a few ways that you can use them. So let's start by heading to the template gallery. The CodeWords template gallery contains a selection of pre-built workflow automations. It contains a lot of workflow automations that have been built by the CodeWords team and also includes some of the workflow automations built by the CodeWords community. As you can see, each template has a selection of different tags attached to it. This allows you to quickly filter for the automations that you might be interested in. For example, say you're interested in marketing and you want to discover some LinkedIn automations. When you click into a template, you'll be taken to that template's run page. Here you'll find a quick description of what the template does. You'll be able to see all the integrations that are needed to use this template, and you'll be able to customize your inputs so that you can use this template for your use cases. So this pre-built template is a LinkedIn comment scraper. It extracts comments from any LinkedIn post URL and sends all of the data into a Google Sheet. So let's see this in action. I'm going to drop in a random post URL I've selected that I saw had quite a few comments, and I'm simply then going to click run. And you'll be able to see on the right how long it will usually take and what the estimated cost will be. So let's go ahead and run it. And here you'll be able to see the different steps that are being taken to complete this workflow for you. So here you'll be able to see the output. You can see a preview of the comments, and you've also received a markdown summary of the output. You'll also be able to access the Google spreadsheet that's been created in the link here. And as you can see, it's extracted all of the commenter names, their LinkedIn profiles, the comments, and the extraction time. So that's how quickly you can get started with actually using CodeWords. And say, for example, that I wanted to edit this workflow so that perhaps it scrapes my company's LinkedIn post comments on a weekly basis. I could simply click remix up here, and it will take me into the chat so that I can edit this specific workflow for my use case. Now let's have a look at where I'll be able to find all of the previous workflows that I've built. So I'm going to head to my workflows, and in here you'll be able to find all of the personal templates that you've made through CodeWords. As you can see, I have a few common categories at the top, such as productivity, marketing, and content. And here I can easily access and control all of my current workflows. So for example, if I click in this article writer to Webflow workflow, this is an example of a workflow that I would run manually as opposed to on a schedule. So I can easily return to it here, and I can also rename my workflows as well so that I can easily find what I need, especially if I'm using the same few workflows regularly. From here, I can also easily edit and customize these workflows. So for example, if I click edit, I can edit this workflow. I can go back to the latest chat if that's where I was editing it. And I could also create a copy and edit the new workflow instead so that I have two definite versions. I can also easily remove workflows if I'm no longer using them and want to declutter my space. Finally, I can also sort my workflow space. I can go through my most recent or my oldest workflows. I can also see what's been most recently updated, and I can sort them via name. I can also easily share this workflow. So for example, if I want to exchange some marketing workflows with someone else, they can share me theirs and I can share mine. And I can select whether I'd like to share it with my integrations and secrets or not, so that my data is always secure. Templates are a really easy and fun way to get started with CodeWords, and they're a great way to get inspiration to see what else you might want to build.